Hello, fellow traders. Nutty Bar Trading coming to you on a Thursday, August 10th, and this is just a summary report for our strategy testing. I think this is day number 5. So, yeah, just going to dive right in. Actually, before we do that, I do want to just remind everyone 90% sale ends tonight at midnight Eastern Standard Time. So, if you do need accounts, grab them now. You can use the code Nutty80 to get that 90% off. That'd be sweet. If you don't want to use my code, then use someone else's. But make sure you use a code. Make sure you get that 90% off. Obviously, I do not know of any additional sale that's going to be running after midnight. So as of now, I have no information on that. So let's just dive right in. As far as today, again, followed my rules. For the most part, I did have one time where I might not have followed it completely, but it ended up not really making a difference. But yeah, had an okay day. We ended the day like, what was it? $700 in profit. You can see on our, excuse me. You can see on the Rhythmic accounts, this is the account we're trading, and we're just hovering right around that 100. We're just using a 150K eval account for testing purposes. So this is the account balance we're at. Let us dive right in here. So if I'm just going to open the trades here. You can see the log. We basically had, we had a good day. Again, the runners, there's like, pros and cons to this. And we need more data. We need more data on the runners, on what we do with those. We started off the day hitting our profit target, and then we got stopped out on the runner. Here we did hit our profit target. Let me actually just show them the trades on the chart. I think it makes it a little bit easier to see. Let me zoom in here. Okay, so all the way up here, this is where we took our first trade, and we took a long trade right here, and our first profit target was hit right here. Obviously our profit target was at the 440s, which on the runner, our profit target is right before we get to the next area of support and resistance, which would be the 440s. So that's where our profit target was on our runner. And we were like, we were 85 ticks in profit at one point, and then it reversed and stops us out right here. Again, it's just, we basically we lost about $500 by letting that runner run. Okay. And this is stuff I'm tracking to kind of see if we have a net positive or not with our runners. Is it worth it? Is it not? Then our next trade, we entered short right here, triggered right here. We took our first profit right here. And then our runner, this time we got a really nice runner. And our profit is right before the next support and resistance zone, and great trade. Then moving on to here. So a lot of consolidation right in our support and resistance zones. And it wasn't good. We just got chopped out a lot. And I think we had one where our profit was hit and then our stop loss was hit on the runner. And then we had like 2 losing trades. This trade, this trade, and this trade. So these 4 trades were triggered when we were in that chop fest. And obviously we don't really want to be trading in this, and it kind of today again showed, okay, what do I do? How do we stay out of that kind of mess? So that's something we got to think about. We got to test, find out, figure out, etc. But that's where the bulk of our losses happened today, was right in here. Then we had another short trigger right here. at the 29s. We took our first profit right here at the 21s. And then we had our stop, or like our plan, we had our profit for the runner was all the way down here at the 168. So we had about a 220 tick profit, and it hit. We were patient, waited it out, didn't move us. Well, this is where I might have not followed my rule. When we started to bend up again, I had my stop where I was at least securing 60 ticks of profit. Again, it didn't really matter in the end, but I do want to try and make sure I allow this thing to run and follow the plan. So we followed the plan here, got our profit, great trade. And this was the results. That was this trade right here. It was almost $1,700 in profit. But yeah, that was a great trade. We took our profit right here, entered right here. Then we actually had another trade triggered right here. Again, I wasn't a fan of the trade. I didn't like going short right there, but we're just following the plan, and we did get stopped out, unfortunately. Then we took another short right here, and we hit our first initial profit target right here. And again, our runner was like 80 plus ticks in profit. And it reversed on us and stopped us out again. Again, we left a lot of money on the table there, but it is what it is. Then going to the next trade, we took a couple more trades here, and our first initial profit target hit, and then our runner was stopped out. And that was the last trade of the session. So yeah, let's just go back, looking at the day. This is what our day ended up like. Total of, $700 in profit. So that's basically what we ended up with. Again, we're just testing some things. Next week on Monday, I do plan to test this on ES. We did actually miss an entry again today because of NQ moving so fast. Definitely is an issue. And we're going to test this on ES just because it's going to move at a little bit slower pace and allow us to catch those entries for sure. So yeah, obviously still doing some back testing, but right now I think I have it down to where I am ready to go on ES. So I'm just going to wait. We are going to be streaming tomorrow again, but I'm only going to be streaming till like at noon. Noon I have to go, so will only be a short stream tomorrow. So anyway, that's it. That's it for today. Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate every one of you. Take care. Have a great rest of your night, and God bless.